Assalamu alaikum. This is Faiz Mahmood with some more words of English vocabulary of confusing words. These are two words before you: all right and all right. All right with double L is a phrase meaning everything is right. Is it all right here? This is the meaning. Similarly, all right has the same meaning. It's a single word, but it is a single word. It is a phrase which has been made by joining two words, all and right. The meaning of all right is okay. It means everything is right. It means okay. Is everything all right here? We may use these two words in the same context as I have made a single sentence from these two words. Now, all together. These are two words, all together, meaning people or things taken as a whole. When you take people or thing as a whole, you use the word all together with double L. We always had a fun when we were all together. So we may also split these two words. Make the See the construction of this sentence. We all have fun when we were together. So by splitting these two words, we have also used this in this sentence. This may also be the construction of the sentence where you use all and together in a single sentence, meaning we people or the things. Altogether means it is an adverb, means completely, totally. I'm altogether embarrassed to see him at the match. Or I stopped crying and abusing her altogether. Totally, I forgot what he or she is saying. This is the difference of these two words. When people are taken or things are taken as a whole, or when something you take completely in a total picture. So, this was the difference between these two words which are on their screen, like all and ways. Two words, it means by every means or method. He tried all ways. All ways. We do not pronounce it as a single word. He tried all ways to avoid the fight in meetings. They are similar in all ways except their appearance. So you have marked my sentence speaking, which is clarifying that these are two words, all and ways. This is a single word and this is adverb, meaning forever, on every occasion, every time. He always behaves calmly in crisis. Always. Always a single word pronounced in a single go, although it this always has also two syllables, but this is all. We give a somewhat pause and then ways. So this is the difference between these two words and their usage. The next is allude and allude. Allude with a, it suggests indirectly, to suggest something indirectly, to point out something indirectly. The prime minister alluded means has given a reference to something, to work together with opposition. In his first speech, he did not say something directly. He has given a hint, a reference, or suggested something indirectly. Allude means to dodge, to deceive, to escape. We need to ensure corruption do not elude tough penalties. Corruption may not be given a chance to prosper, but we should do something to punish those people who are involved in corruption. This means dodge or escape, elude. They should not elude our eyes. They should not deceive us. Thank you very much for watching. We will be here with more new words and their meanings and their clarification with their expression in sentences. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Assalamu alaikum.